Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech TV. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Mobills application on your iOS device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to the internet. Now tap and open App Store on your device. After that, click on the search bar and type in Mobills and click on search button. Now scroll down until you find this application. Click on it and click on Get button. Now you need to verify using your Face ID, fingerprint or password. After the verification is done, your download will be started shortly. It may take some time depending on your internet speed. After the download is completed, click on Open button to use Mobills application. So that is how you can download Mobills application on your iOS device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.